If you're looking to add a tech upgrade to your bathroom, might I suggest you start off with the toilet. This here is the HOROW T38P Smart Toilet, a 21st century upgrade that you've been waiting for. I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but the S-Trap toilet, the one that's in pretty much every house all around the world, was actually first invented way back in 1775. Needless to say, it is very old. Since then, the design has gotten a little bit of an upgrade, but the functionality has remained the same. Well, that is until the smart toilet arrived. The HOROW T38P Smart Toilet has so many features that I'm probably going to forget a couple of them, just fair warning. But before we get to that, let's start off with how you get this installed into your bathroom. Removing the old one and getting this new smart toilet installed is honestly really simple. I've never removed or replaced a toilet before, so this was my first time at it. So all you have to do is turn off the water, disconnect the water supply line, and unscrew the two bolts that are holding on the base of the toilet. The toilet then can be lifted up, and this can definitely be a one-man job, but it's always a little bit easier to maneuver a toilet if you have a second person willing to help, since it can be a little bit awkward. With the old one out, we can actually get to the installation here. First, you're gonna have to make sure that you actually have enough room for the new toilet, since the T38 is most likely gonna be bigger at the base than the one you're actually replacing. I actually ran into an issue with getting this installed in my house because the water supply line for the toilet in my bathroom was actually coming right out of the floor and was within the footprint of the base of this new toilet. Getting the water supply line moved would have been possible, but it would have cost about $1,200, something I didn't want to do. So fortunately, I had a friend who was willing to let me upgrade their toilet in their bathroom so that I could get this video completed. So now that you've got everything measured, we can finally move on. The HOROW toilet comes with everything that you need for the install, including a flange, support brackets, a wax ring, and water supply splitter. For this install, I actually didn't have to remove the flange from the previous toilet since the screws and the brackets worked perfectly with the one from the previous toilet. So I simply tightened everything down, attached the wax ring to the bottom of the toilet, and then slowly tipped the toilet over into place for a perfect fit. Now I should have removed the plastic wrap before this step and pulled out the hoses and the power cable from the back of the toilet since it was a pretty tight fit back there, but I did manage to get everything pulled out. Then I connected the water supply line to the two hoses from the toilet with the splitter and then plugged in the T38P into the wall outlet. And that's basically it. The smart toilet is installed, simple as that.